Whoa, okay, I told y'all we was going somewhere different today, and today is not where you saw me last week. We are here at Sassy Snap. She's going to help me tell you about Toolkit Tuesday and the importance and the use ability of tube lights. So, let's get right into it. All right, use number one of tube lights. You can use these tube lights as backlights. You see how this light rims? Yes, right now.
You gonna take that off your head?
No. And this is going to stay in the video. So we're using these tube lights right now as rim lights. And the way these rim lights rim Raven, that means they're around the rims of her body. Light, lock. Yes.
You should start over.
No, I won't do that.
Okay.
They like me like this.
Alright.
We're going to change one tube light from a rim light. Yes, ma'am. This time. That was the other pack. That was dead. Yeah.
Okay.
And so easy to take a tube light from a rim light to a key light and now a rim light. Now you can change this rim light from a rim light to a hair light. Watch this. So rim light and hair light pretty much mean the same thing, but when it's like on the hair, it's more hair versus rim. And so rim is more of a full body. Raven, you know about rim and hair lights. She's a world-renowned photographer, and I'm so astonished to be here with her. But yeah, so you got hair light. You see right here, hair, and then you have key light. See right there, key. And then before we had, your simple double rims. Oh, let's go this way. We got double rim. Use it like this. And then bing bada bam, bing bada bop. So, buy you some tube lights and figure out how to light people properly. This is for video. Let's switch over to the photo set. Okay, now we're back. We're going to talk about a couple of things for your photo use. All right, so if we just stick the camera right here in front of Raven, we take a couple pictures, and you see those. You can use tube lights for photos as well. So using tube lights for photos allows you to get to a place faster and not ever have any misfires, because with strobes you have misfires. But this is cheaper, more affordable, and you can take it anywhere and move much faster with it. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? So here we go. We got Raven. Okay, so we did a clamshell look with two different tube lights. Now we'll do a rim light and a back hair, or it's a backlight, hair light, rim light, whatever light you want to call it. It's light. Use the light accordingly. So you hit Raven just like that. Bing bada bam. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, now you can backlight her twice. And look, I haven't done anything but move the light. I haven't changed the light power. All I gotta do is flip a couple switches. Do you ever flip switches and not know what you're flipping? Come to the workshop. All right, so now we're right here. Hit Raven with two backlights. Boom, bada bam, boom, bada bam. We don't have to change any colors because everybody knows on tube lights you can change the colors. If you don't, check somebody else's video out, because we're not gonna break that down today. This is Toolkit Tuesday, and this is Raven. So here's the images. Bing, bada bam, boom, bada bam. Raven, do you have anything to say?
Nope.
All right, till next week. See you.